Hello guys, welcome to another video, and today I'm going to be soloing the Nature Lab both series. He's counting the so we're gonna do Nature Lab 1, and then we're gonna do Nature Lab Chapter 2, the demo. And when and there will be a part 2 to this where the full Chapter 2 comes out, and we will do the entire Chapter 2. Counting the first one, and as time goes on, the more Nature Labs comes out, the more longer the series will get. But this is a series where I will do horror map chapters, especially ones like Nature Lab. So if you got any that doesn't have any serious jump scares, and is like Nature Lab, I will do it. But first, let's do it. But yeah, this is public, so I gotta change servers. We're gonna do Nature Lab. Now you see, there's only two of them. The Chapter 2 demo. There's Nature Lab and Nature Lab between Square Root demo. I'm gonna play them both. Now credits to Jackson, because he made the series. Grapple the book. Do that. Alright, 3. So our solo speedrun is gonna start. Our solo speedrun is gonna start once I enter the hotel, and I won't. When actually no, it's not really gonna be a speedrun. It won't be timed. All right, 3, 2, 1, go! Dang it! Get these stupid dialogues. The dialogues are gonna ruin it. Now there's dialogue here, but I have to go to there. And yes, I will. Yes, if you are confused, I will do a full-on tutorial on how to beat Nature Lab. I'll do a full-on tutorial on how to beat Nature Lab. If this gets enough views and if people beg enough, I will do a tutorial on how to beat Nature Lab, including the demo. Including the Chapter 2 demo. I don't know why I said demo. This game has no demo. The only demo it has is the Chapter 2 one. And yes, I will. And yes, if people ask enough, I will do anything in Nature Lab series. I might even. This might get popular enough for even the creator to notice me. So creators, you're watching this, make Nature Lab but with no dialogue. That means for the car thing, you just skip straight to the part where it says Nature Lab. Now, this is the part where it starts to get bloody. But I won't be reading that, but I'll read that in my tutorial. But I'll just put a sign on. Now, yeah, you split it in half. I don't think people should be looking at that, so I'm just gonna skip to it. And we do that. We go here. That door opens 6 months. He comes, and now he's stuck there. And then we go here. And this is where we are getting closer to the first chase. And yes, and yes, for real, I will do a tutorial on how to beat this, no matter what. But it won't come directly. It might come after the Tag of Fear video. Which has a chance of getting canceled, I don't know. But the tutorial for Nature Lab will not be cancelled. as I play grab mostly, and I will do tutorials. But I'm not a really good builder, so I won't be doing any build tutorials, sadly. And here's the chase. This one is like, I don't get it. This one is harder, despite the fact, yeah. It's literally harder. And I've beaten this so many times. I don't know why. And the jump scares aren't bad at all. So if you're watching this and you don't like jump scares, but you also like horror maps with no jump scares, try this map out. The jump scares are not scary at all. They don't even have sound. Then we get slammed down over here. Just zoom. We go here. That made me flinch. That didn't make me flinch, but it made me shake. And we just go here. Over here. Over here. Yoo-hoo. Hello. Oh, dun dun dun. Dun dun dun. This is the last one we have to do. Oh, in this, I'm pretty sure you don't do in chapter 2 with demo, which is actually looking kind of good because I've seen some people struggle with that. But now time for the final chase. The final. And I died. Somehow. Here's one thing. You should not turn back. I just wanted to see the monster because I never actually got a look at the second chase monster. But, if I meet Jack, I might ask him if he can leave the map. So I can actually get a look at the monsters, because I barely do. And now time to meet one of chapter 2's monsters. Yeah, that. Now we're here, and now we enter next level. Welcome to chapter 2. We grab this book. Now this is where things start to change. They're actually using physics now. And the new Grubble feature. That's the new monster. We don't get a whole look at it. Go here to meet our daughter. Stay here. And now we're here. Then we go here. Boom. Boop bop boop bop bam. Then we climb this ladder. Do that. Put that in. Now here is where it starts to get tricky. Because you have to click the button and run into here as fast as possible. He comes by, ow. My hand. I just said something. And now this is where we start to use physics. Grab this. Bippy pop, boop pop bam. Open this, go back. That comes down. Somehow. Use this. Whippity boop bop boop bop bam. Whippity boop bop boop bop bam. Then we go over here. And now we just enjoy the ride. Now we just run. There that guy is. Now we enter here. Look, that was a really big fall. And now this is where it ends. And yeah, we're done. Oh. As I was about to say, make sure you like and subscribe. And make sure you watch my content. Make sure you like and subscribe. I am working hard. But I do videos for entertainment. Do videos. And I'm working on videos, not every day, because I have school. And I also just get bored a lot, but yeah, I am making videos, not every day, but sometimes. And I will check the comments, and I don't really know how to put photos in, but I'll just say the person's name on who gave me the idea. And when I actually find out how to do it, I will start doing that. But put your stuff in the comments. Put your video ideas in the comments. If anything is about Tag of Fear, I will say I am heavily sorry, but that has not a 50 chance, but like a 20% chance of getting canceled. Because I did just get access to Gorilla Tag, and plus I want to start working on Gorilla Tag movies, so I might not be doing Tag of Fear for a while. But if it's not canceled, then definitely on Christmas or on Thanksgiving. But yeah, make sure you check out my map, Sword Fight in the Heights, Halloween update. Make sure you check it out. I'm running 24 plays. My record, and I'm trying to beat my record, which is actually 100 plays on my first level. That is getting a revamp. And as that is going, I will make progress works. And yeah, anyways, see you next video. Well, next video.